Hi guys, today we're going to do another video and sadly another fail video, but I did promise that I would show everything warts and all. This one is another fail but one that's easily solved. So in the video what you can see is I've printed out a design. I'm now using heat tape to stick the metal to the print to stop it from moving around whilst it's getting heat pressed, and I'm putting on my logo on the reverse side. As a side note, despite the fact the back's not got the special sublimated texture material on, it still comes out pretty good. I might do a test with trying to do it on a non-sublimated panel just to see what happens. What happens then is obviously we take it to the heat press, same as before, 100 seconds, 185 degrees centigrade, and then put the protective grease paper down and then put the press down. Whilst I'm waiting for that to do, please do like, subscribe and share. It's a new channel and I'd love to help anyone who's thinking of a sublimated business and journey. So once the press is down, we wait for those few seconds and then we lift the press, and then we take the metal prints out, remembering to use our heat gloves. And then once we've taken them down, we just leave them to cool down slightly because they do get very, very hot. And as you will see now, I'll bring it to the table. So see, once I reveal it, see if you can see the error. So we're nearly finished with the peeling now. Such an easy job, but it proves tricky a lot of the times. But here we go. We're going to now reveal the print. And it's an airfield Biggin Hill, popular airfield near London. And what you can see is there was a grain texture that was on the image which I didn't take out. From a distance you can't see it, but as we click closer up you can see it. You'll see it's like white noise type of texture. As it says, please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much for watching, and give me a thumbs up and give me a comment, please.